group?
Okay, we pick Madison. Let's go. Joanna.
Crisscross applesauce your legs, please.
I like applesauce. So do I. Okay.
Hi, I'm Victoria Brish, and I'm the nose of the pony.
Hi, I'm Jill Cannon, and I'm the face. Hi, I'm Max Lee, and I have the wings.
Plane crashed.
Everybody crashed. This is a safe landing.
Guys, set yourself up just a little further away so that I can get around you without stepping on people or getting my butt in their face.